off the lights. Yeah. Cut off the lights. Yeah. I perform better at night. I've been outside with the mice. Yeah. Eating that chicken and rice. Right. While it was filled with the mites. Okay. Now it's an infinite price. If they wasn't living your life, then they shouldn't give you advice. How could we honor your words? Yeah. If we see you missing your stripes, we get it. You've been in the game for a minute, but it's time to kick it. We know that you finished. The future is coming. Let's stick to the mission and aim for the target with deadly precision. We pissing them off and pitching the victims. Yeah, we call them victims cause they're demolition. I'm changing the rules and breaking tradition and making, cause nobody making the difference. I see it. Nobody gonna go hard for me like I go for me. That's why I gotta take mine, try to get milestones for me. I'm ready for it all, say the word and it's up on sight. Cut off the lights, yeah. I perform better at night. I've been outside with the mice, yeah. Eating that chicken and rice, right. While it was filled with the mites, okay. Now it's an infinite price. If they wasn't living your life, then they shouldn't give you advice. How could we honor your words? Yeah. If we see you missing your stripes, ayy, cut off the lights, ayy, cut off the lights, yeah, cut off the lights. I perform better at night, ayy, cut off the lights, yeah, cut off the lights, ayy, cut off the lights. I perform better at night. Yeah, better at night, just get up and fight wherever it takes to level the field. We breaking the rules, remeasuring heights that they try to tell us that we couldn't reach. No matter how hard that we work, when we got this out of the dirt, pull up and lurk, pull up and make it a seam. Only till they bleed and they hurt. I've been outside with the mice, yeah. Eating that chicken and rice, right. While it was filled with the mites, okay. Now it's an infinite price. If they wasn't living your life, then they shouldn't give you advice. How could we honor your words? Yeah. If we see you missing your stripes, ayy, cut off the lights, ayy, cut off the lights, yeah, cut off the lights. I perform better at night, ayy, cut off the lights, yeah, cut off the lights, ayy, cut off the lights. I perform better at night. I perform better at night. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. The jig is up. Yeah. I came too far, I ain't giving up. Hey. I had to cut what was weighing me down, and then when you grow, they say that you switching up here to perimeter. Defending the fort, we crushing the visitors. I got it locked, ain't taking a prisoner. Thought it was sweet until they chin hit with a finisher. Heartbreak, Nikki, I'm voiding the slips. I'm raising the stakes, enjoying the risk. Injecting my veins with ice, as cold as it gets. I live for this shit. Die as a legend, I ride with aggression. I lost in the past, it's fine, it's a lesson. I'm loading the clips, I fire the weapons and taking what's mine. It's time for redemption. Yeah. Too far, I ain't giving up. Hey, I had to cut what was weighing me down, and then when you grow, they say that you switching up here to perimeter. Defending the fort, we crushing the visitors. I got it locked, ain't taking a prisoner. Thought it was sweet until they chin hit with a finisher. Heartbreak, Nikki, I'm voiding the slips. I'm raising the stakes, enjoying the risk. Injecting my veins with ice, as cold as it gets. I live for this shit. Die as a legend, I ride with aggression. I lost in the past, it's fine, it's a lesson. I'm loading the clips, I fire the weapons and taking what's mine. It's time for redemption. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Take what's mine. Take what's time for redemption. Hey, look at what we made. Look at where we going. Hey, everybody wanna see me stop. Breaking down walls, no sheetrock. Hot boys steaming off top like teapots. Hey, yeah, y'all want smoke, then get hit with a detox. Coast to coast, been a pro, shoot knee locks. Y'all don't rap, the bars weak, those cheap shots. Good, I came through blazing. Call me Kanye, West Craven. Been a villain, I don't need no praising. No cape, I don't do no saving. Ayy, look what you made them. Took everything, look what you gave them. I don't do no handouts, bitch. I'ma stand outside till it pan out. Bitch, I'm a man now, pull 100 grand out quick on your chick pick. Look at how she fan out, Nick. Life's a trip, but it panned out. Even with a man down, got my whole team a chip. I don't need a grip, I just need a flip. And flip that 10 times and we see what it get, yeah. That's why I had a bone to pick, how to control the ship so I can go legit. Let's get it going. Leading the charge, team full of dogs. Sinking our teeth, then I'm rip them all apart. Even when we was counted out, even the odds. Leave it to God. I got a pocket to fill, I ain't stopping until I get it poppin' for real. Nick been a problem, not all of y'all know it, but soon as you do, you'll be copping a plea. Your wifey be copping a fill. Monster, I'm plotting to kill. Make up your mind, I got options to get to. I hope it upset you that nobody's stopping me. Went to the bottom and still climbed to the top of the hill. Surfing the wave and you know it get windy. I'm riding the current and hoping it got me a lil. I'm following none, so I'll be used to the feel. Could I use it as fuel? Wait till I stop and reveal. Hey, what I got up my sleeve. Hey, way too modest I be. Hey, I would die for whatever I need. Hey, just look at what I bleed. Hey, leading the charge, team full of dogs. Sinking our teeth, then I'm rip them all apart. Even when we was counted out, even the odds. Leave it to God, even the odds. Leading the charge, team full of dogs. Sinking our teeth, then I'm rip them all apart. Even when we was counted out, even the odds. Leave it to God, even the odds.
Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my ass. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Watch out for those who surround you, need no funny kind. You can't see what's on my brain, I live inside my mind. Out of space and out of sight, you need me in my line. Need no face, no